WiBUZ here with your WiBUZ Minute. Today's insight: open systems have all the pieces. They're just missing the glue. Let me put on 4 hats to show you what we discovered. The MSP. I've got Ruckus deployed. It works, but I'm ready to go down market and can't scale easily or affordably. OpenWiFi sounds great, but where do I start? The OpenWiFi vendor. Our gear is solid, our pricing is sharp, but we keep losing to the legacy vendors because it just works. The solution provider. We built the perfect school security platform, but every sale turns into 6 to 12 months of custom integration. The school district. I want the best of everything. Ruckus, OpenWiFi, OpenLAN, Fortinet. Why does that mean managing 4 systems? The wild edge and no end in sight. Then Jamaica happened. They needed a national dashboard, Wi-Fi in every school, secure SSIDs for students, guests, admins, future-proofing for IoT and ministry expansion, multi-vendor support including Ruckus, NetExperience, ActionTech, CyberTan, EdgeCore, and Fortinet. We delivered it with wibipOS and Live SDK. 6 vendors, 376 schools, 90 days. And with an MSP with 0 prior Wi-Fi experience. Now expanding to an additional 700 schools and a total of 10,000 edge devices. Now, the same setup deploys in 15 minutes because all of them became reusable modules ready to be put together into a custom solution for the next MSP. What used to be called the Builder's Universe now becomes something broader, the United Edge, a shared framework where MSPs, vendors, and providers unite around orchestration, not control. For MSPs, you stop duct taping systems, you start solving problems. Live SDK handles the plumbing, you become the hero. For vendors, you don't need another GUI, you need adoption. Plug in once, let MSPs run with it. For solution providers, every project becomes a reusable module. You scale impact, not integration. For end users, no more lock-in, no more trade-offs, just best of breed, fully integrated. This is the enterprise Linux moment all over again. OpenWiFi has the kernel, the APIs, and the standards, but without an OS layer, it's still out of reach. That's what wibipOS is. The United Edge turns each deployment into an accelerator for the next. So when someone asks for a feature list, you ask them to take the wibipOS 15-minute challenge and show them the Jamaica success video. You're not offering a checklist. You're offering a system that improves every time it's used. That's your WiBUZ Minute. Jamaica proved it works, Peru proves it scales, and our Technology Partner of the Year Industry Award proves it's real. What's stopping you?